We're not scared to bring in material. We'll hold your inventory, whether it's raw or it's finished goods. We just happen to be a warehouse that makes parts. And again, that sets us apart from a lot of companies. We have a variety of materials, being able to turn around prototypes or actually getting your parts done faster because the material's on the shelf already. It's another perk that we have here. Okay, what you see here is a bunch of raw material that's tied to a job. As it comes in, we put it into our system, and then it gets attached to the PO, and then from there, we can assign it to a job. Hey, did James get that 15 thousandths material?
I took care of it.
All right, thank you, Jeremy. Have a good one. So from here, once Jeremy's going back to put that stuff into the system, it goes right back into the shelf, right into our barcoding system. We know where that material is at all times. We know how much has been taken of it. And then in the future, if we need it for another run, or we may have another project we need it for to get a quick prototype around, we have it and we know exactly where it is at all times. We pretty much deal with any type of material you can think of. We'll deal with tungsten, we'll deal with stainless, core roll steel, aluminum, coppers, beryllium coppers. There's really nothing we won't work with. It just depends, does our equipment have the capability to work with it? And that's the key factor. Some people just say that we're a warehouse that happens to make parts, and that sets us apart.
We look at it as a partnership, and what we really want to do is we want to get you what you need, because your success is our success. When you order 500 parts, you get 500 parts. If we have to run over to make sure you get that, that's what we do. We will deliver exactly what you need.
In this section, you'll see another area of finished goods ready to go, but you'll also see another holding area for raw material. This is a custom built material. It's a C353 leaded brass. This legitimately is a 6-month build every time it's ordered. The key is getting this material to keep their parts flowing. So what we've done is there's probably 50 to 60,000 pounds of it on the shelf ready to go when they need their particular parts that this goes to. Because like I said, it is a 6-month build. And this is another thing that makes us not just springs. What you're seeing here is our largest spring customer. We ship them 1 million parts a day, and we make over 950 different versions of springs for them. The majority of their stuff is shipped in the US. We do some international shipping as well. In this case, we are just springs, and we're pretty darn good at it. Southern Spring and Stamping, our place does look like a resort, but that's because that's the way we want to treat you. We want you to feel like you can talk to us. We want you to have that resort experience where you're getting the best quality part and the best quality service at the same time. Because the less pain you have with your supplier, the better off you are.
Come and see a full video tour of our factory at notjustsprings.com.